All right, first grade friends, today we're going to start our actual batik art, and I have a nice big piece of paper. Once you have figured out what fish you're going to draw, then you can get your big paper. So I have my 1, 2, 3, 4 fish, okay? And I have a star next to this fish, so that means I'm trying to draw that fish again. Now you should make sure to put your name on the back with a crayon. Can you grab me a crayon quick? Because I forgot one. You're going to put your name on the back with a crayon, and it needs to be crayon. It doesn't actually matter what color, any color except for black. What color is that? Gray, that will work. Okay, so you're going to write your name on the back like this. And then right now I have Mrs. White's class, so her class code is 1WH, but yours will be different, so make sure you write that. Then flip it over. Now on this side, I no longer need crayon right now. I need a black Ticonderoga marker, and these are at your table already. And I'm looking at my fish, and I'm gonna try to draw a similar fish. If it's a little bit different, it's okay. But I know that I wanna draw it really big for what we're gonna be doing. And this fish, I have him swimming this way. You can have your fish swimming whichever way you want. Then this fish has, now notice how I'm going almost to the edge of my paper. I want this fish really, really big. On the bottom, this fish has little fins. Remember, this kind of looks like a betta fish, doesn't it? So see how I'm almost to the edge of my paper? That's fine. Now friends, now you get to decorate your fish with shapes and lines, okay? With shapes and lines. So who can think of a cool shape that I could decorate my fish with, or a cool line?
Triangle.
Okay, Peyton, what's your idea?
A triangle.
I could do triangles, couldn't I? Does anybody else have another idea?
You should probably put some scales on.
I could do scales, and I can show you how to do that too. Who's got another idea?
You could put a circle.
I could do circles. I could do squares. I could do different kinds of lines. I could do straight lines, zigzag lines, wiggly lines, curvy lines. Okay? If you want to do scales, a scale, what I would do is turn your paper like this, and if you want to do scales, it's like this. Then the next time you do the scales, you want to start in the middle. So pretend this is a hill. You want to start on the top of the hill. So watch. I go from the top of the hill to the next top of the hill. Okay, then I still need to go again, but I'm gonna run out of room, so I just do half of a scale, and over here, half of a scale. So if I wanna do another row of scales, I have to do the same thing. I start at the top of the hill, and I go to the next top of the hill. Now, if you want to do scales on your whole fish, then you should do that. Maybe I think it was Peyton's idea of triangles. So now on this part, I'm going to do triangles. You can do it however you want if you want to do scales on your whole thing. Now, notice how I'm not coloring anything in. I'm just doing shapes and lines that I can color in later, okay? So I'm making spaces with shapes and lines. So here I have lines. This is kind of like a wavy line, so this counts as a line, and now I have shapes. Okay, maybe I'm going to do a wavy line, and maybe on the end I want some more scales. Okay, now I still have more to decorate. I'm going to leave his face kind of plain. All up here, I need to add some stuff. So maybe up here, I'm just going to add some straight lines. Or curvy lines, I guess. Okay, there's my fish all decorated with shapes and lines. With my Sharpie, I didn't color anything in except for the black dot in the eye. Everything else I'm saving because we're going to use our crayon wax next time.